Yo. That's like a lot.
That's like, we're gonna be violating people. Like, I like missed. It like went to the side.
Oh.
Yeah, dude, like that's gonna violate. I don't even know, dude. You already know what we up to. Sneeze prank part 2.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I mean, I just didn't take my allergy medicine today.
I understand, but you need to cover when you sneeze.
I know, I mean, I had the mask on, I don't know. Is it because I'm wearing a grouty?
I have no idea why.
Like a gray outfit, like there's a lot of like backlash for having a gray outfit. Like I thought you were just trying to...
I literally have like spit on the back of my neck.
Oh.
I felt it.
I did not sneeze on
I
you.
don't care what you're wearing.
Achoo! Do you know which dinosaur I should get here?
Yo, man, you just friggin' sneezed on me, man.
What happened? No way.
Yeah.
I got you there?
Yeah, your spit.
Yo.
Your spit just got right on the
My
back.
spit? Yo, I'm just looking for dinosaurs, bro. Like this dinosaur right here.
I don't even work here, so I don't know.
Oh, you don't work here, man?
No.
Bro, I swear you worked here.
No? No? Oh, alright.
Oh, gosh. Excuse me. Achoo! Oh. Oof. Excuse me, do you know where the new Xbox is? You don't know where the Xbox is? Oh, I'm sorry about that. Do you know where the PlayStation is?
How would I know?
I don't know, I thought you worked here. You don't work here?
No.
You sure?
Shoot! Oh. Did I get you?
What the fuck was that?
Oh, I sneezed on you?
Yeah, what the fuck was that?
There's no way I sneezed on you.
Yeah, you did. You just fucking sneezed on me.
No, there's no way.
What the fuck was that?
I have a mask
What
on.
the fuck was that?
What?
You're video recording me and shit?
Nah,
Yeah, you sprayed that shit
Yeah.
on me. What the fuck was that for?
it's water.
Yeah, why'd you do that?
So it's funny.
Yeah, you fucking coming in here and fucking fooling around with people. Go fuck yourself. You don't want to mess with me, buddy. For real though, why'd you do that?
It's funny.
No, it's not funny.
Are you trying to hit on me?
No, it's not fucking funny. Don't do that shit again. You want to keep talking, bro, huh?
I'm walking away from you, but you keep coming back. Why, are you trying to like
Nah, don't do
make
that
out with
shit.
me or
Nah,
something?
Don't do that shit, bro. I'm pissed off.
Go Celtics. Oh shit, he's telling, bro. Teach me salsa? You teach me salsa.
I don't know.
Salsa. Yeah, the salsa. No?
No.
No
sorry.
salsa linda. Parandata?
No, thank you.
Oh.
Sorry.
Achoo! Oh, excuse me. What happened?
You go like this or something?
No. Hi, I'm sorry. I just thought you were really gorgeous. By any chance, can I get your number?
No.
Really?
What happened? Oh, I sneezed on you a little bit? Oh, my bad, man. I mean, I swear to God, I got my test today, and it came back negative. It only came back positive for, like, chlamydia and stuff, so.
Not even funny, it's a joke.
Salsa.
Ooh.
Come on, man. Do the salsa.
There you go. Not salsa.
Yeah, no.
Ready, hit me.
Tastes like peanut.
Send it. Oh, I thought you.
Go deep, go deep. Oh yeah. That's my bad.
Damn. Oh shit.
Guys, we don't throw footballs inside the store, okay?
We tested it out.
Yeah, well, they're for sale, so you can buy it and then you can.
Yeah, we just want to make sure it's in the right one.
All right, that's good. So honestly, this is the only time I'm having the conversation. Otherwise, you guys can play. All right. So, and then you can have a great night. Okay.
Hit him. Hit him.
That's good. You guys can all get out now. No, I'm done.
Yo. Flashbang. I used to work there. The retired GOAT, you know, I'm the vet. Some called me the Michael Jordan of Olympia sports, but you know, it is what it is. I'm a humble guy, you know. I'll just say it's what the people used to say, but
Make sure you draw the alphabet with your tongue.
Yes, sir. Yo, say what's up to the vlog, bro.
Yeah. Subscribe on YouTube, Sonk.
Sonk.
SONK.